Air Quality Index. Now, it is a tool which is designed to effectively communicate the status of air quality to the public in a simple and easily understandable format. It converts complex air quality data involving multiple pollutants into a single, easy to understand number, along with a nomenclature and a color code. By summarizing the data into a single index value, the AQI makes it easier for people to understand the current air quality and the potential health impacts associated with it. There are 6 AQI categories, namely good, satisfactory, moderate, poor, very poor, and severe. The AQI for a given location is calculated based on the ambient concentration values of several air pollutants, and the category assigned to the AQI value reflects the potential health impacts associated with the concentration of these pollutants. This helps individuals and communities to understand the health implications of the air quality in their area. By using the AQI, authorities can provide timely information to the public, enabling them to take necessary precautions to protect their health during the periods of poor air quality. Now, this image displays the AQI categories along with their corresponding remarks, color codes, and possible health impacts. So you can see the AQI scale, it ranges from 0 to 500. Each color code, then you can see color code. Each range has a specific color code to make it easier to understand the air quality level visually. Then health impacts are there. It describes how the air quality in each category can affect human health with specific impacts on sensitive groups such as people with respiratory issues, diseases, and other health conditions. This system helps the general public understand air quality levels and take necessary precautions when the air quality is poor. Like you can see, if the AQI it falls between 0 to 50, for that remark is good and the possible health impacts will be minimum. Likewise, if AQI will be 51 to 100, the remark is satisfactory and the color code is light green, and the health impacts are minor breathing discomfort to sensitive people. So likewise, there are different categories of AQI.